Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a butterfly yo-yo with a fixed axle. So we'll go ahead and load the program. Come up here to File, New Design. We're going to go ahead and click that to change to Plan View. We'll minimize, and then we'll drag in our yo-yo shape. Put that in the center. Let's get a reference line up here to see what size this yo-yo is. Okay, that yo-yo is a little too big. We want ours to be about 2 1/4. So we'll scale down a little bit. We'll go ahead and draw a line again. Let's put in 2.25. I want our yo-yo to be roughly this size, so we'll scale it up. Let's click on the little square node there on the lower right corner. Hold down the shift key and just kind of drag up. Okay, now I'll have to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's good right there. Let's get rid of that reference line. Let's go ahead and reposition that. Control plus to zoom in. We're going to draw half this yo-yo and then we're going to revolve it. So let's go ahead and put a line in there from the left side of the yo-yo over to the right side, which is 1.729 inches. 1.729, enter. Select to click off. Now we're going to draw another line from the midpoint there, straight up. And we're going to select to click off. We're going to right mouse click on that, set as mirror. Now we're going to go ahead and start drawing our yo-yo. So we'll go from here, go from the bottom straight up. Then we're going to come over to about right there. We're going to select to click off. We're going to get a 3-point arch. And we're going to come from the end point up to here. And then we're going to just make sure that's rounded. And like that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and come from the end point there, straight over. Then we're going to come straight down. Now we're going to go ahead and get the create rounded corner. And we're going to round that over 0.074. Excuse me. Then we're going to put another fillet in there right here, small one, 0.177. Okay, now we're going to put this piece in here, so we'll control plus. Okay, it looks like there's a little piece right there we'll have to create. So we'll go ahead and click there, come straight down, and then we'll come over. And then we're going to have to round the corner so it's smooth. So get our corner rounder from there to there. Okay. All right. That looks good. Now go ahead and get our trim away. Let's go ahead and trim away that piece there. Control minus. Let's pan down. Okay, now we can go ahead and get away. Click to delete our graphic right here. All right, so this is going to be our yo-yo. I want the inside to come in. So what we're going to do is select these, holding down the control key. I'm going to go ahead and offset. I'm going to bring those in about 0.2. So type in 0.2. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our align tool. And then we're going to come from, let's go about that point right there. We're going to come straight down. Okay, now we're going to get our line tool. We're going to come straight over from there. Okay, now we're going to get our trim away. and trim away these. Okay, now we're going to get our create rounded corner, excuse me, 0.230, and then probably want to put a little angle on that line there so it looks a little different. So we're going to create an angle line there. Then we're going to get the trim away tool. Let's cut that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get rid of this line here. So click on it to delete it. Control minus. Now we're going to go ahead and pull. We're going to select that shape. We're going to select this revolve. We're going to revolve from here. Then we're going to check the full pull. Okay, this is going to be our yo-yo. Solid on the ends here with the solidness. Has a little fixed axle here for the rope. We'll go ahead and go to top view. Then we'll go view from isometric. Okay, that's going to be that's going to end today's tutorial. This is our Design Spark mechanical yo-yo, a butterfly style yo-yo with a fixed axle. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.